Greetings, I'm Nova, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy to see what the heck is going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. All right, I could be speaking of a masculine or feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what's going on with the YouTube collective. What's going on with the Divine Family, Friends, and Collective? What's going on with YouTube, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What is anchoring this reading? What is it that we need to know? We have the spirit realm here, y'all. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, I'm showing, will you marry me? Hold up now. Wait a minute. So I don't know if you guys have been proposed to in the spirit realm. Are y'all married in the spirit realm? Has somebody proposed to y'all or something like that? You had a dream about you being married? Or having some sort of ring or something like that? Clarify the spirit realm, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know? Spirit realm? Clarify spirit realm, please. Trigger. Don't just like the spirit realm, the physical and the spirit. Triggered. At the bottom of the deck, I'm showing an energy of codependency here. I don't know. Was this someone that triggers you or something like that? This is someone that's codependent on your energy that you're having dreams about in the spirit realm that's asking you to marry them or you possibly married or something like that? Let's go ahead. Go a little bit further. Why does that truck have to ride this way? It has an exit up here. It decided it wanted to come down here. They want to drive this way when they could have left the same way. It would took them to the same exit. People be doing too much. That noise. Turn the streets up. Clarify this triggered energy. If y'all have not subscribed as of yet, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. Love y'all. Clarify this triggered. What's happening? Triggered. Okay. It came out reverse. Confusion and illusion came out in reverse, y'all. So whatever illusion that they wanted to cast or some sort of confusion that they wanted to cause, it looks like that did not work and it's not working. Clarify triggered. Because you're not confused. One more for triggered. For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What's going on with the YouTube collective with this triggered energy? Well, that was too many. One more for triggered. One more for triggered. What is going on? This time we got a priestess. I have commitment out here that came out again. It came out in the previous reading. Okay, so like I said, there is no confusion. There is no illusion. I'm showing up that I'm speaking to a star seed. Okay, number 53 can be significant. 58, 53, and the number 3. So 533. 333 could possibly even be significant. 555 can be significant. But yeah, whoever this person is, it looks like you guys are coming out as the high priestess. So it seems like you're very intuitive. You're very psychic. You're very in sync. So that only makes sense that this confusion and illusion would definitely come out in reverse because you definitely see this person exactly for who they are. You're very aware. You're very tapped in spiritually. It seems like you're being led by your spirit guides. You're very known in the spiritual realm. And like I stated, that you're some sort of galactic being with this starseed energy. You're not even from this planet. Yeah, you're not confused or there is any type of illusion. They tried to like pull some sort of wool or try to cause some sort of confusion in the spirit realm, especially for the physical realm is what I'm saying. So they tried to confuse you in the spirit to make you think something or feel something or be all up in your head to cause some sort of illusion in the spirit and thought that it was going to manifest into the physical, but it is not. This is just simply an energy that is codependent on you. If anything, I'm seeing like, oh, look, this person is the conflict. This person is angry. Didn't I say 555 is out here? You're protected. You're protected. Okay, I know that's right. I know I already felt that energy there. You're already protected in the spirit realm. It seems like your name ring bells. Whoever I'm speaking about, they know about you over there. They like, hold up, wait a minute now. You can't come over here with that confusion or illusion mess over here. We know energy very well. You can't confuse them. You high ranking in the spirit. Clarify this confusion and illusion in reverse. What's going on? They probably was able to do that in the past, but this is a new day, new dawn. Okay, and somebody's feeling good, and they be damn if they backtrack to whoever this person is. Look, you coming out on your element. Clarifying confusion and illusion is coming out as the high priestess. And I'm feeling good. I know that's right. Yeah, they try to cause some sort of confusion or illusion, especially when it comes to like collaborating with them, working with them, teaming up with them, or something like that, possibly even teaching them something or telling them something that they want to know. Yeah, this is the energy of this person trying to, yeah, because I'm seeing like this is them deciding or trying to, whether they're going to come or not, come towards you or not. So it's like them being in your energy. Yeah, it's like this person weighing their pros and cons, especially when it comes to you, and it's crazy because it's also manifesting in this in the physical. What's going on with the star seed? What's going on with the star seed energy, please, spirit? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Star seed. All right, clarifying the star seed energy. Star seed is coming out as the Empress, divine feminine energy. Star seed is definitely a divine feminine energy. So an Empress high priestess energy, very intuitive, very psychic. You can have water in your chart. Strong Cancer. Or it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm definitely seeing an energy of judgment being called. With this judgment, it's providing you some sort of awakening. This is like ring the alarm. Somebody, it's like this is the energy of your energy is so like your high rank. Whereas though if anybody try to get into your energy, especially in the spirit realm, it's almost like it rings an alarm. That's what I heard. Ring the alarm like a sound went off. Like someone is trespassing type of energy or something like that. One more. Yeah, whoever you are, you could possibly have water, I mean earth in your chart. Or the person that was just trying to get close to you might have Earth in their chart. Strong Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo could definitely be significant. Let's go ahead and clarify this commitment. Clarify this commitment. Clarify commitment. Clarify commitment, please, Spirit. Okay. This person is definitely a player. Okay. Shameless, flirtatious type of energy. Clarifying commitment. The first card that came out was the Four Wands. Like this person trying to come into alignment with you. There's like an energy of them wanting to reunite with you, wanting to celebrate with you again, wanting to marry you. But this person that's coming out is page energy. It's like they're not even willing to put in any type of work, especially in regards to even getting you, is what I'm seeing here. Or nonetheless, wanting to keep you with this page of pentacles energy. Because this person is too busy entertaining other people. They're entertaining other people. And I'm also showing this is of someone that will also be entertaining other people, even if you were to give this person the time of day. This person is not meaning what they're saying or saying what they mean. They only coming back in wanting to marry you because of their own codependency. I see you walking away. Look what's back here. Proposal, marriage. You walking away. This person is sneaky as hell. They are sneaky. Anything else? This person is operating impulsively, hoping for some sort of victory. Especially when coming into your energy, because it's like an energy of them wanting to be happy. It's like this is the energy of this person focusing on their own happiness. They would be happy if they had you. But then they still entertaining other people. This is also like an energy of this person wanting to be a part of some sort of happiness happiness with you. But they're coming in to trigger you. Anything else? They're very triggering, is what I'm seeing here. Hangman. I feel like this person been waiting for quite a while. There's an energy of somebody keeping their eye on you and waiting, trying to decide whether they're gonna come towards you or not. Because I feel like whoever this person is could possibly watch you in this Nine of Cups. There's an energy of this person watching you receive some sort of wish fulfillment or have some sort of joy, have some sort of happiness. Okay. And this is after some possibly some sort of breakup or something like that. Okay. This is also like an energy of this person trying to like hurt you emotionally, cause some sort of heartbreak for you and leave, possibly leave you with a family, leave you, y'all, leave you with the children. And this is something that this person been thinking about too. This is something that somebody's gunning for you, out to get you or something. This could be something that has already happened, right? This is also talking about even if you was dealing with this person before, I'm definitely seeing an energy of you breaking up with this person. There's an energy of severing some sort of ties with this person. This could talk about shit. You guys might have been in a long-term relationship at one point of time and you probably didn't get to the marriage pot. And now y'all broke up and now they're like, hey, I want to marry you. After you like, I don't even want to be with you at all. There's energy of you guys being moved to calmer waters. You weren't about healing. You weren't about peace. You weren't about being by yourself at this point. And this person is all up in their head. There's energy of stress. There's energy of anxiety. There's energy of mental overload. This is their karma. That's what I'm seeing here. There's a closing to a cycle. It's over with. The contract up. Ain't no coming back in because you got this codependency, and absolutely they will be going to someone else. I don't know what the fuck they thunk, but they better think again. You have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.